Hey guys, welcome to this all new tutorial. And in this new tutorial, we're going to talk about one of the latest updates to the Claude Code CLI, that is the Ultra Code in the same. So we're going to talk about the Ultra Code in Claude Code. So the Ultra Code is an advanced session level setting for the Claude Opus 4.8 model. It pairs the highest reasoning effort, that is the xhigh, with automatic multi-agent dynamic workflows. So instead of relying on a single pass, Claude orchestrates multiple agents to independently plan, write, verify, and revise complex code. So as you can see, I am currently in the official Claude code documentations, and within the same, we can find this particular article on the agents and parallel work, which says orchestrate subagents at scale with dynamic workflows using the particular workflow as listed right here. So from here, you can get a depth about the dynamic workflows within the Claude code using the xhigh effort, that is the ultra code. So it basically works by providing extended thinking. That means it delivers the maximum thinking token budget before acting to resolve logic edge cases and prevent mid-task failures. And it also has a dynamic orchestration. That means it automatically parallelizes large tasks like deep code refactoring into subtasks assigned to verifying subagents. So now, without further ado, let us see how you can switch your Claude Code CLI to the Ultra Code effort. So for that, first I'm gonna simply open up my Windows PowerShell as an administrator. And once I have that, I'm going to simply launch my Claude Code CLI. Now, once you are in the Claude Code CLI, as you can see right here, what you can try to do first is simply check on which model you currently are. So to do that, first type in a forward slash and then type in model and then hit the enter button. So model is a system command for Claude, which can be used to set the AI model for Claude Code. And you can see within the same that currently it is the Opus 4.8 with 1 million context that is currently set in here. So now, if you wish to switch the same, what you can do is simply instead of model, you can type in the effort. So as you can see, I have typed in effort, and from here you can set effort level for model usage. So simply click onto this, and from here you can see the current model is high. So as you can see within this particular graph, the faster the model it will be, the more the less smarter it's going to be, and the more smarter it is the ultra code, which is the combination of xhigh and workflows. So you can also set it to max, which use excessive tokens resulting in long response times or overthinking. But ultra code is that ultimate sweet spot that you wish you want, especially when you are fanning out multiple sub-agents to do your work, as these sub-agents do their own work and then combine it to form your big chunk of the work. So in order to set it to ultra code, where you simply need to use your arrow keys to navigate to this ultra code option and this very great animation which has been added to the CLI. And once you are done, simply hit the enter button and you can see this animation line right here, which represents the ultra code, as well as this visible icon of the ultra code within the same. So that's how easily you can set ultra code. Now you can ask it for anything and it will use the ultra code effort, and you can also notice the difference between the other modes and the ultra code effort within the same. So do check this out, do try it out, and do let us know in the comments how you think, what you think about the ultra code effort in the Claude Code CLI. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.